OMG. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm so loud. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. No, not yet, not yet. This one. I'm going to. Dun 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 No, I not like that.
Kind of salty. Second one.
Seriously, don't seem to like the best, so let's try. Tastes like orange cream soda. 7 out of 10. Cheers! You are
This Roblox game actually gives you free Robux. Fortnite battle pass. I just shit out my ass. Put it on my PC, cause I need it.
No, that's a bad one.
that's barely
No,
even
he
in the
didn't
future.
say that.
Yes.
Wait a minute, she didn't get the phone.
They say it could put your life at stake and once you
$2.6 billion? How did my family get into so much debt? Mom, you want to...
You've heard this noise before. You gotta cross the floor. Try not to lose your head.
Thank you for the roses.
Pablo.
It's got to choose.
Pablo.
Ooh, ice cream. Thank you for the ice cream. Know how much my family...
I put the new 4G's on the G. I came into the bloody bottles is on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep on 100 racks it out.
We owe $2.6 billion? I'm a rich kid.
Cái cụ hơi Yeah.
We know what job that pays then. Good. Ooh,
I know this is on YouTube time.
juice. Scream. Know how much my
Okay.
102-year-old woman.
Baba Bowie.